Okay, students, we'll see the rule one by one. Okay, so first rule, all non-zero digits are significant. All non-zero digits are significant. Like this is simply 285 centimeter. So, कितने significant figures होंगे? 3 significant figures. Here 32. Okay, 32 any unit can be there. But how many significant figures will be there? 2 significant figures will be there. In anything you can write 3, 2, 5, 6, 7. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 significant figures are there like this. Okay, now second rule. See very carefully. It's little bit confusing. You have to do lots of practice. Okay. Zeros preceding to first non-zero digit. Zero preceding. ठीक है? To first non-zero digit. Okay. Non-zero digit से पहले वाला zero. Okay. That will be not significant. Okay. Non-zero digit से पहले. Okay. This is after the decimal you can see. Zero preceding to the first non-zero digit. For example, this is your example. Now, this is before the non-zero digit. It will be not significant. Understood? देखो 0.03. Okay. 0.0 में से आपका कौन सा है? सिग्निफिकेंट डिजिट जो है वो 3 है. उससे पहले वाला डिजिट जो रहेगा non-zero डिजिट कौन सा है? That is 3. उसके पहले वाला जो प्रीसीडिंग 0 है that will be not significant. So 0.03. इसमें कौन है? कितने significant digits है? ये वाला काउंट नहीं होगा. This will not be counted. Only this one. 0 preceding to non-zero digit is not significant. Okay. This is your significant digit. This one. And then 1, 2, 3, 4. ये दो काउंट नहीं होंगे. This will be. ठीक है. After the decimal it will be. Okay. तो ये जो है this will be your significant and this two will be not significant. This two will not be counted as it is 0 preceding to the non-zero digit. Okay. And it is after the decimal. Okay. You can add here. Okay. So this one 1, 2. This will not be counted. This 3 will be counted. So here one significant figure, here two significant figure, here 3. Like this you can add as many as how many? This will be 2. Okay. Like this you can add as many as example. It will practice. Okay. It means you will be getting practice of this. Okay. After this the next rule. Okay. You can see like this. Zeros between two non-zero digits are significant figures. As if I have written. Okay. Because we cannot write significant figure. It will take a lot of space. You will be writing in your notebook. Okay. Zeros between two non-zero digits are significant figures. Like see here. Decimal is also involved, but 1, 2, 3, 4 will be the significant figure. Here 3.01. 1, 2, 3. This will be the significant figure. You can take many examples. How many? 4. How many? 4. How many? 3. Like this you can take. Okay. Zeros between the non-zero digit will be significant. Okay. Now next one. Zeros at the end or right of a number are significant. Okay. Is it visible? Zero at the end or right of a number are significant. What it is written? End में जो right of a number हो, ठीक है? Zeros at the end or right of a number are significant. Okay. that date should be after the decimal. After the decimal होना चाहिए and number के right में होना चाहिए. They should be significant. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Okay, here also 1, 2, 3. Here also 0.30 it is. 0.30. Two significant figures. Understood? 0.30. You can take some more example. How many? Two significant figures. Understood? Okay. How many? Two significant figures will be there. Okay. They should be always at the right of the decimal. Understood? Okay. And right of the number. Sorry. You can write it. Like this you can write. Okay, 0.001, three significant figures. Understood? Is it clear? I know for first time you will get confused because many examples are there. It will create a mess, but you have to practice. You have to take many questions. You can form by yourself and then you can practice. Okay? After this we will see one more rule. Okay? This much rule will be enough for today, I think. You see. But 0 to the left of the decimal will be non-significant. 0 to the left of the decimal, right? 0.25. Okay? 0.25, this 0 will not be counted and this 2 will be counted. So your significant figure will be 2. Okay? Then 0.1. How many? 1. Understood? Like this. Okay? You can make your examples. 0.3 you can write. How many? Only 1. Okay? So these are the examples. You can take your example and can form a lot of questions regarding this, which can make you practice. If anything else will be there, I will be sending you the PDF. So please practice this. It will take a lot of practice. Understood? So please practice it again and again. Form some more questions and do. Okay? You can take the screenshot, save it, and please write it properly. Okay?